eventually, as you do it more and more, you're going to find it easier and easier. So I'm going to repeat the first method first, okay? Because I don't want to jump in to do the continuous line immediately. Okay, so I'm going to do another one. 1. And if you want the pedal to be wider, so you angle a different angle, okay? Remember that. So here again, 2, 3, and then the other side, 1, 2, 3, and then you don't like the top, so go back, feel the yin, like that. Okay, and then now again we're gonna do wrinkle. So 1, little bit, and then here I'm gonna deliberately hook that up this way. And I'll come back to the wrinkle for all of them, and then the white line also later on, okay? But because I'm breaking them down so you guys can follow a little bit, so I do it this way here. Okay, so here goes the third one. Okay, and I take the white. Okay, and then again. Okay, so we have the fourth pedal. Okay, so the fourth pedal, because it's coming towards me, so they are not very long. So they tend to be shorter, okay? So don't go as long as this. I would say about half of the top one here, okay, because you know it's going towards me. Okay, so again, I'm going to twist a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try to hurry to give the middle a bit of green before I lose too much of the green here. I'm going to give a little bit of greenish tinge here. Okay, so before I, lose them. Okay, so you see some dry area, those are okay. Okay, so you can see that sometimes you are going the purple first, sometimes I go into the white first. It's not really that important. Okay, but the important thing is like when you finish product, of course it has to look decent enough. Okay, so this middle here also has one too. Okay, and then of course you got a coupling on the bottom. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter than the shade here. Okay, and I tend to do a bit faster when I do in that part. Okay, so now see I pulled out the bottom part here. Okay, so same thing again, just give you guys a like a sort of early looking at what happened to this part here. Okay, so you will see this become, okay, and then, okay, so this is how we can join a whole bunch of them going up, 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 whole bunch of flower, okay, all right. So this just kind of give you guys early looking at the whole thing. And again, the middle, it's up to you to use whatever the color that you think you like more, okay? So happen again, I have these color here. Okay. So same thing again, you notice that I would take the white and I go to yellow and then a little bit orange, and sometimes I go back to the yellow again, okay? So again, that you will see, if I put it outside here, then you don't see that much. But if I put it in the middle here, the dark purple against the dark purple, you guys could see it. Okay. Okay. So that's what one single flower would sort of look like. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna continue reviewing how to do this petal here. Okay. So then that way, that's for sure we will be able to do this.